Hey, Simrebel here. Happy Blue Switch Day. Big Blue Switch Day. So, out here on the trail trying to find a cache. And I think we're coming up to the GZ here. Should be around here someplace, probably in these rocks. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere here. I think it probably belongs in the rocks. Or it was up in this tree or something. So I'll open her up. And we have a little guitar guy. Army guy? Oh, it's army guy. Looked like a guitar. And I just stuck that in under the rock there to a little better the spot than out here. I don't like moving caches, but that one is definitely out too much in the open. There you have it, my souvenir for Big Blue Switch Day. So seen this come out last week, and oh, we got an event coming up in a couple weeks. I'll just move the event, have a nice coffee event, sit inside, nice and warm. But lo and behold, when I moved the event, the cache reviewer said, no, I can't do that because I only put it out a couple days before and it wasn't out for 2 weeks. So it went against guidelines that all caches must be submitted 2 weeks prior to the event. So here I am, out on a cool and wet kind of day to get my souvenir this way. So while on this trail, there's another cache up a little farther, and it's been on my watch list because it's on my dates placed watch list, trying to fill in that calendar. And I think it's February 21st or something it was placed. So I'm gonna knock it off while we're here. A little down a little gully here. Not quite that far, but I think I see it underneath the tree here. Hopefully I don't go tumbling down the... Yeah, oh, there it is. Now, get in there and get it. That's the best way. I think I'll go below and come back up, or it goes straight through here. Looks like somebody just threw it in here. Nice good container. And this is called Girls Cache. Yeah, some leaves, some scissors, a walnut, and a log. Well, there you go. That's mission 2 accomplished for today. 1 souvenir and 1 more date off my dates placed calendar. Only a couple more to do on that one. Took a workout to get down there and back. So here's a few I did on the weekend on Saturday. A couple more of the superheroes over in Brantford. Take a look at out grabbing more superheroes today, and this one is the Flash. One of the superheroes. This is Batman. This ain't one of the superheroes. It's a policeman one. Same cache owner. Well, like those superheroes, eh? And policemen, they could be superheroes too, right? Sure. So that's about it for now. Catch you later. Catch you on the trails. Hit the subscribe up there. Get notifications whenever I put out a video. Comment, like, and catch you later.